Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to talk about posting to the discussion board. Discussion boards will be used by your teacher to either further the learning experience, or it could be used as a question place, just depending on your teacher. For those of you who have been participating in the summer reading, you're probably a little bit familiar with this, but it never hurts to get some extra tips that you might not have known about. So when you log into your Blackboard, it will look similar to this, if not just like this. And you'll see the discussion board is over on the left-hand side. All you have to do is click on there and it'll take you to the discussion board. Your teacher will probably already have a topic going if they have directed you here. For the purposes of this video, I made it an introduction discussion board. So if there is already a topic there, all you have to do is click on it. It might not have a description, but if it does, it'll tell you what to do. Like I use this discussion board to post an introduction to your classmates and teacher. When you go in, if you notice there was zeros over on this side, so that told me that no one has posted, so I am the first person to come into this introduction. So I have to go to create thread. Here it gives me my description again. Use the discussion board to post an introduction to your classmates and teacher, or whatever else your teacher has set it up for. The subject will give everyone an idea of what you're posting about. You don't want to post your whole message in there, maybe just your name if it is the introduction. So I'm going to put Mrs. Callahan's introduction. Then you click down in the box and you can type what you want to say. So I'm just going to write, "Hi, I'm Mrs. Callahan." We'd probably want to put a little bit more, but for the sake of this video, just so you get the basics, I'm going to leave it at that. Then you just go down, you'll see cancel, save draft, and submit. So if you decided, maybe I want to add more and I don't have enough time, you can save draft. Or if you're just not happy with it at all, you can cancel and start over. I'm going to submit. Now you can see when we're under the topic introduction, we have the thread, Mrs. Callahan's introduction. You'll see there's one total post. So all I have to do to read that is click on this blue link right here, Mrs. Callahan's introduction. And it brings it up. "Hi, I'm Mrs. Callahan." Now you can reply. Bring up that same looking box, and you can reply back. In this case, it's replying back to me, or it could be a classmate or another teacher. And it'll show up right underneath. And then if we go back all the way to discussion boards, see how it now says there's 2 total posts. So if you clicked on it now, instead of having that blank screen like we had before, it would bring up the thread of Mrs. Callahan's introduction and the reply or replies if there's more. Another thing you could do, you don't want to reply to that one, you want to create your own. So you're in here and you're like, okay, that's Mrs. Callahan's introduction, but I want to do my introduction. You would click on Create Thread. Then you can put your name. We'll just make our student Sue. Sue wants to say, her name is Sue. And She'll scroll down. She doesn't want to cancel it because she's pretty happy with what she did. She doesn't want to add anymore, so she's not going to save the draft. She's going to go ahead and submit. And now, you'll see there's Sue and there's Mrs. Callahan. And of course, just like before, you click on Sue, you can see it. Looks a little weird because I posted it, but you get the point. And you can reply. So that's how our discussion boards work. Enjoy your day.